The LCT dong grip is compatible with the V2, but installation on the V3 may require some modifications using tools. The upper and lower edges of the receiver are not parallel, so you will need to modify the lower edge of the stock by about 1 to 2 millimeters. Additionally, the rear of the V3 receiver has rounded corners, so you will need to modify the mounting area of the V2 stock to have rounded corners. One of the V2 screws included by the manufacturer is too short, so you'll need to purchase a longer screw to fit the hole. If the screw head diameter is too large, you'll need to use a tool to remove the excess diameter, as this hole is not designed for the V2 stock. Believe it or not, all of the above modifications can be done using a file with stable fixing tools. If you want a V3 version of the Md.90, don't hesitate and feel free to use tools for modification. If you're interested in the buffer pad I printed and want to purchase it, you'll find it in the link below.